Hello students, good morning to you all. This topic is for class 10. The topic is family planning, or we can say contraception. Before we start this topic, this is the continuation of the chapter reproduction or reproductive system. Before we start this topic, we need to know that what are the major factors responsible for population explosion. The major factors responsible for population explosion and why do we need to control? What are the reasons to control this population? So in this video, I am going to explain this. Then in my next video, we will go through the next topic, that is the methods of contraception. First, we are going through what are the major factors responsible for population explosion and what are the reasons to control these populations. You know, day by day, we human beings, we are developing. We are developing technology-wise. Technologically, we are developed. Then if we go through the medical facilities, we are developing a lot because of medical facilities also. Day by day, we are getting educated also. But these all things are nothing because of this population explosion. Because of this population explosion. So why it happened? In few decades, the population has increased in alarming rate. ऐसा क्यों हुआ कि इन कुछ सालों में, कुछ डिकेड्स में, 10 से 20 से 30 सालों में इतना ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन कैसे एक्सप्लोड किया, इतनी जनसंख्या कैसे बढ़ गई? There was some reason, major factors are there. What are those factors? The first one is better medical facility. Better medical facilities. You know, earlier the medical facilities were not like that. Most of the ladies were getting or losing their life at the time of giving birth. But now this death rate has decreased a lot. Not at the time of giving birth of the babies, but also at the time of but also with other diseases. कुछ और भी diseases में हमारे पास better medical facilities हैं, better treatment है, और इनकी वजह से हमारा death rate जो है वो बिल्कुल low हो गया. Then second, what is there? The second reason, lack of education. Lack of education. You know, still there are many people who are uneducated. Population is high. The government cannot provide population to each and every one. As I told you, population is very high. So do you know, because of uneducation or because of lack of education, the people have become prey to the ignorance. They have become prey. वो एक तरह से ignorance के बिल्कुल चुंगल में वो ignore करते हैं. उन्हें पता नहीं है कि अगर हमने ये काम नहीं किया या अगर हमने ये precautions नहीं लिए तो क्या result होगा. Why? Because they are uneducated. Because they are uneducated. Then the next one is control and epidemics. Control and epidemics. The third one we can say control and epidemics. Earlier you must have heard about the epidemics. Cholera, then diarrhea, these all are, or measles or pox, these all were epidemics earlier. लेकिन अब हमने उन सभी के वैक्सीन्स लगभग निकाल लिए हैं और हमने ऑलमोस्ट इसे इरेडिकेट कर दिया है. Different countries, many of the countries have eradicated already these kind of epidemics. तो इसकी वजह से भी जो है ना death rate बहुत ही कम हो गया है. Death rate बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो गया. Then fourth reason we can say religion. Religion, you know, in some of the religion, what it is told that in some religion that this stopping the birth of children is against the norms set by their religion. In some religion, norms are set. कुछ नियम बनाए गए हैं, कुछ कानून बनाए गए हैं कुछ धर्मों में जिनके अनुसार stopping the birth of child is against the law of God. So this is also the reason of increasing of population. Now, why do we need to control it? हमें क्यों ज़रूरी है इसे रोकना? उसके भी कुछ कारण हैं. What are the reasons? So now I am going to make you understand what are the reasons to control. हमें क्यों इन्हें रोकना चाहिए? Very first thing is that if we are not going to stop population soon, then already we are facing unemployment. We will face more unemployment. The number will increase and the number of jobs will decrease. So first problem what will face from that is unemployment. What is the second one? The second one is poverty. What is that? Poverty. It is obvious that if there will be no employment, means no income, obvious a large number of population will suffer from poverty. Then the third one we can say hygienic condition or food supply. Food supply. Demand is more. पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर में है, डिमांड ज़्यादा होगा, लेकिन फूड का सप्लाई उतना नहीं होगा. क्यों फूड का सप्लाई उतना नहीं होगा? डिमांड तो ज़्यादा है, पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज कर गया है, पर हमने प्रोडक्शन को इंक्रीज नहीं किया. The population is increased, but production of food is not increased. So this is obvious that there will be the lack of food supply. Food supply will be lacking. This is what the reason we need to control population. Then education problem. As right now I told you, in education problem what will happen? Government have not having that much of schools or the teachers to provide education to each and every child. So it is obvious there will be education problem. There will be education problem. Then hygienic condition. Then what is there? Hygienic condition. If there will be more population, very much populated, then what will happen? Poverty, lack of food supply, lack of education surely will give to their unhygienic life or unhygienic habits. Then what is there? Education problem, I told you, housing problem. Then there will be housing problem. if more population, उन्हें क्या चाहिए? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा घरों की भी, जब लोग ज़्यादा हैं तो उन्हें और रहने के लिए एक आवास चाहिए, रहने के लिए ठिकाना चाहिए. तो हाउसिंग प्रॉब्लम, एंड दिस हाउसिंग प्रॉब्लम ऑल्सो वी आर फेसिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन. We are facing this. Then obviously there will be pollution. Pollution means what? If they are uneducated, they have not proper sanitation, they don't have proper surroundings, then obviously there will be pollution. Not because of that only. If population is increasing, vehicles will increase. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इंक्रीज करेगा, व्हीकल्स इंक्रीज करेगा, यूज ऑफ केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस ज़्यादा होंगे, यूज ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल्स ज़्यादा होंगे. तो ऑब्वियस है कि पॉल्यूशन इन एयर, पॉल्यूशन इन सॉइल एंड द पॉल्यूशन ऑफ साउंड will surely increase. And the last, I think, not last, but yes, this is one, another one is also very important, that there will be decrease in natural resources. There will be decrease in natural resources. जितना ज़्यादा population, उतना ज़्यादा natural resources का utilization. Like water. Like what? Water. And there are lots of things generated through this water, through sunlight, and through these natural resources. So obviously this will also go, or this will also decrease. These things will also decrease and natural resources may get exhausted. Fossil fuels will get exhausted. Water will get exhausted. What do you think? Fossil fuels are not only petrol, diesel, there are lots of things. Coal, these all will get deteriorated day by day. So these were the factors, the major factors to responsible for population explosion and the reasons to control. These two I made you understand in this video. I hope you people will go through this video and make your own notes of this family planning. Now in my next video I will be explaining the different methods of family planning for class 10. So if you like, please write the comment and subscribe this channel so that you can get the next video. Thank you all of you.